Okay, piece in to begin. Uh, I just was looking on the Tinkering with Tinkercad uh, page, and the topic came up of being tired of looking through all, your various parts pages, or looking through. You're basically trying to get quick access to parts. So I basically just have a toolbox. All the shapes I've been making for the past 6 years can basically be attributed to all these templates. I turn them into holes, do whatever, use them to angle things. All the cutting and stuff that happens from all these shapes that you see here, basically. So again, you just uh, make the templates you need and stuff them all in one box. And then you have them, then you open up another work plane, and then just cut and paste, just paste them in from here instead of looking all over on the one page that you're working on. Hope that's helpful. Peace out without a doubt. Till the next time.